Hello friends, welcome to this video on cookies in PHP. Cookies are small pieces of data which the server asks the client's browser to store. Each request back to the server will include these pieces of data. The data is organized in key value pairs. We can create a cookie using PHP's setcookie method. The syntax of setCookie method is that we pass name and value parameters, but we can also pass other parameters like expire, path, domain, secure, and HTTP only. Suppose if a user on our website selects the language and we want to store this information in the browser of the user, so we'll set it like setCookie, and inside that we'll use the name of the cookie, that is language, and next the value. This method will set the language cookie inside user browser. But to access the value of the cookie, we have to use $_cookie super global variable. In this snippet, we can see we have used echo $_cookie. In the square brackets, we have used the name of that cookie, that is language. Open your favorite text editor. Open the directory php-cookies from www folder of WAMP, and inside this folder create a file index.php. Open the browser and type php-cookies, but make sure that your WAMP or XAMPP server is running. You can see that the value of the cookie is printed. But to make sure that our cookie is created, right click and click on inspect, and inside the menu click on application. Inside application you can see over here cookies, and inside the cookies menu here is our domain, that is localhost, and inside localhost we have cookie created. Lang is equal to English and domain is localhost. Next, let us check that we can access a cookie in another page in PHP. I will create another file named second.php and will access the cookie inside this page. To delete a cookie, use the setCookie function with an expiration date in the past. In this method, we can use that the value is set to an empty string and the expiration time is set to current time minus 3600 seconds. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you and bye.